So today we are starting tobacco seeds. Most people think tobacco is only for smoking, but what if I told you tobacco plants are one of the best plants you can grow in your garden for pest control? The tobacco seeds I'm starting today are called Virginia Gold.
These tobacco seeds come from Virginia, United States. So if my sister can grow them in Massachusetts and in Sweden and in Mallorca, I'm sure you can grow them anywhere in the world.
The supplies you're going to need today are some pots, some seed starting soil mix, tobacco seeds, of course, a little label, and a spray bottle for watering. So here are the tobacco seeds, and they're tiny, tiny little seeds, almost like dust. But it's crazy to think that one tiny seed like this can grow into a plant that's taller than me. So I'm going to put a couple of seeds into the palm of my hand. They're very, very tiny. They look like this. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sprinkle these seeds on the soil, on the seed starting mix, because tobacco seeds actually need light to germinate. So I'm going to sprinkle them on the surface. Now each of these pots is going to grow about 25 plants.
Here's a fun fact. Even if you don't smoke, the best barter items during the Great Depression in the 1930s was actually alcohol, chocolate, and tobacco. So if you don't want to use your tobacco plants, somebody else will always want them. So you can always barter your tobacco plants, because if people find out that you have tobacco plants, you can always trade them for some other plants or actually sell them.
Okay, so once you've sprinkled the seeds in the pot on the seed starting soil mix, you're not going to cover them with any dirt. Just let them be on the surface and water them with a spray bottle. So now we're going to water the seedlings, and this is my pump spray bottle that I've talked about in previous videos. And this is great because you can adjust the nozzle, and what you want to do is spray them with a fine mist. And you're just going to go over the surface a couple of times. Now I'm going to check on these a couple of times a day in the beginning before they've rooted and grown a little bit bigger. Because the seeds are lying on the surface of the soil, they can dry out quite quickly. And then I'm going to put my label in. Once these seeds have germinated, I'm going to transplant them into bigger pots. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a future video. Now remember, tobacco plants need a lot of sun because they're actually in the tomato family. So here's why tobacco plants are so amazing for your garden. Their leaves are sticky, so insects and pests get stuck on their leaves. So they're a great companion plant and they're a great pest control for your garden. Now keep in mind, if you buy tobacco plants at a nursery, there is a kind that's an ornamental kind, and those are great for companion planting. But be aware, those are not used as tobacco for smoking.
Here's an interesting fact about tobacco plants. The leaves are great if you're actually bleeding, and the nicotine in the tobacco leaf restricts the blood vessels and stops the bleeding if you ever injure yourself in the garden. There. So let's see how big these tobacco plants get. And if you're growing your own food and plants, follow us on YouTube and let's grow together.